Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Melrose Hill bypass, and this is the bypass that we're driving on now. So this road is in Manchester. It takes you from Porus to Williamsfield, and the bypass was built so you don't have to go over Melrose Hill anymore. So this bypass is being upgraded to 4 lanes. It's going to be a dual carriageway, and it's going to be a part of Highway 2000, the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. So as you know, Highway 2000 is it's a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay, but it's being built out in phases. So this is the section that is going to be the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, the good thing about this section of the highway is that you don't have to pay toll to use it. So if you're going from Porus to Williamsfield, you don't have to pay any toll, and you get to drive on a highway quality road. This is a big improvement from what was here before. And if you're going from Williamsfield to Porus, you don't have to pay toll. Now, where the toll comes in is if you're going to go onto the highway, and that takes you to, well, at this point, it can only take you to Kingston or Maypen. But when the entire road is finished, you can get on from here and go to Montego Bay. St. Elizabeth, then Montego Bay. So this is how far they have reached, and this highway is 93% complete, the entire Maypen to Mandeville leg, and it's on schedule so far to open in August of 2023, which is 10 weeks from now. So basically, it's China Harbour Engineering Company doing the work, and all indications so far are that the highway will be finished. Now, they've added a Maypen interchange to the highway that was not a part of the original plans, and they're working on that now. And they're working on the toll plazas at Tollgate, and then the rest of it would be finishing the Melrose Hill bypass. So they're on track for August, and we'll keep you guys updated on the project, giving you updates every 2 weeks. And as we get closer to August, we'll give you updates every week. Now, this is the Williamsfield roundabout, and now we're going on to the Mandeville bypass or the Winston Jones highway. So this highway, as we mentioned earlier, is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay. So in August, when they finish the highway up to Williamsfield in Manchester, sorry, they're going to build out the leg from Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth. So we're not sure if they're going to upgrade this road like what they did with the bypass. They haven't really given any details yet, but chances are they will upgrade this road to a 4-lane road, because it doesn't really make sense to build a new road. But we'll see, and we'll keep you updated as they put out the information. But they are going to have a bypass for Mandeville and then an exit to Mandeville. They're going to have a bypass for Spurtree Hill, a bypass for Junction. So the new leg of the highway will have an exit to Mandeville, but you don't have to go. The highway will run through the town. It will be a bypass for Spurtree, so you no longer have to go over that winding hill. And it will then head up to Junction, and you'll have a bypass for Junction. So you can always exit the highway and go into Junction. And then from Junction, it's going to go down to Black River, and then from Black River to Hodges. So you'll also have access to Black River via a bypass. So we'll keep you guys updated as they give us more information on the project. But for now, everything is on track for the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway to be finished in August. Now, we're not 100% sure if the Maypen interchange will be finished by August, because that is a late addition. But you can drive on the highway from the Maypen roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout on the highway, and if anything, they'll open the Maypen bypass after. But the Maypen bypass won't interfere, the Maypen interchange won't interfere with you driving on the highway, or it shouldn't. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video as we go through Manchester, and this is the Winston Jones highway you're looking at now. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.